In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add your YouTube channel on TikTok. Okay, so this is very quick and simple, and once you load it up TikTok, you'll be on the home page. You want to go to your profile by tapping on the me icon at the bottom right. Then you can see on my profile, I have an Instagram icon, but no YouTube icon for people to go ahead and go to my YouTube channel. So to add your YouTube channel, tap on edit profile, and then you can see at the bottom it says YouTube, add YouTube to your profile. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to go ahead and select your Gmail account that your YouTube is connected to, and you just want to go ahead and select your channel. So I'll select my channel. Now you will have to grant access for TikTok. Now this is 100% safe to do, so you don't have to worry. Tap on the allow button at the bottom right. And just like that, my YouTube channel is connected to my TikTok account. You can see there YouTube and then my channel name. So that is connected. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.